Good morning, guys. Almost 10 o'clock. I was about to go to outside to eat breakfast, but it's raining now. Yeah, I don't have anything to eat here. I have just egg. I just eat egg yesterday, last night. Fried rice, because I have rice here with hot dog, some of this frozen vegetable. Yeah, you know, when I was young, we eat just rice and soy sauce. Yeah, or sometimes just rice, water, and salt, and sometimes just rice, soy sauce, and oil. Use oil. Yeah, there are also times that just rice and coffee mixed together. Sometimes just rice and raw egg mix, very hot rice and raw egg put together, mix very well. Sometimes like that. The most important is rice. And this is our breakfast for today. And see you outside. There's a sun a while ago, but now again there is water, a mist. Yeah, we're going to work now. Good morning, guys. Yeah, it is almost 10 o'clock. I don't have much in here. That's why we're going outside to buy something. Yeah, before going to the grocery, we're going to roam around here first. Yeah, because I haven't been here for quite some time. There's not so much changes. Yeah, it's still the same, like this, beautiful as always. Oh, look at that. There's a group of fish in there. Yeah, nice. There are more on that side. If we get closer. Yeah, 2 weeks that I was not. Oh no, need to wash. There's no way to get out from there without mess on the foot, on the feet. We're going to buy banana bread on that cafe. There's a boat sales display. That side, Shimano, Lowrance. Oh, there is a trailer boat fishing tournament that is going to happen. Yeah, we're going to check that out later. We go to Waspers, my pit. You know that guy Yeah, he also have a pot tire bike, but his one is a normal pot tire bike, not electric. He's planning to buy something like that. On that side are the small fish. Oh, this pigeon. There are big fish down there. It's the same size, bigger than this. Yeah, it's there. Yeah, while waiting for the coffee, I'm going to show you this. Yeah, this is the, what is this? Boat sails. Yeah, but there's something more in there. There's actually an event going on. It's a trailer boat fishing tournament. There are many tourists today. You can see, look at this dog, very big. Yeah, the people, they're going to ride the ferry, and the ferry will roam around the river and then around the sea. They're going to do whale watching and dolphin watching. There are two tables here for picnic, and we're going to sit here. We're not shy. Yeah, I just changed my mind. I am supposed to get there, but yeah, I'm going home because my real intention is just to go outside, have coffee, and then go to grocery. Yeah, I have duty today. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, so the time now is maybe 10, 11, so I still have time. Whoop. That's drama. Yeah, in case you're wondering what is that thing, yeah, that is official way station. Yeah, it says that the Dr. Mark Lidwell way station. Last time I saw them, they are fishing around the bay, and then they come here and they weigh the fish, their catch. Nice. And at the moment there is a fishing tournament going on, and for sure they're going to weigh that in there. Yeah, I won't be able to see that because I have work today. I feel like just walking, It's good to walk. You see the very details of everything that you see around. The Filipino shop inside is not there anymore. They close. That is why you need to do some groceries in Woolworths, because you help people. Yeah, this is essential. Not the one without corn. This. Oh no. The one with corn is okay. Not egg. Because the last time I checked, I have 6 pieces of egg. So tomorrow I'm coming back here because I'll be day off. These are $3.95. Tricks. I still have rice, tuna in oil. This is just 90 cents. Most of the products here in Australia, most of the items are more than $1. If you go to Europe, you can still see things that are like cents, like 50 cents, 90 cents. Yeah, like a coffee, it's maybe around 90 cents, something like that. This $2.25. 750 ml. I haven't tried this hamper corned beef. According to the comment, this one tastes better. I don't know, so I'm going to try this one. This is $5.50, and this is what I usually taking, but it's just $2.50. But because of the comment, I'm going to take the expensive one. I think that's it. For sure I'm coming back here tomorrow or the day after. We are going to take just one piece of potato for the corned beef. It's $3.50 per kg. I like it like this when there are many people. You know, last night I was passing here last night, and again I encountered the problem of my bike. It's breaking the brake by itself. Yeah, always on this side. It's happened like 4 times already. I don't know. And then when I get home, no electric, so it's a little heavy because going to my apartment is a little uphill. Yeah, but still manageable. I just need to exert a lot of force. Yeah, it happens. I don't know why.